Hello and good morning, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and I'm recording this live from Las Vegas. So if you hear noise in the background, I'm actually recording this on the balcony because Aaliyah's sleeping in the room and I did not want to disturb her sleep. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. We have new content coming to you guys soon. I'm so sorry I've been behind on editing, but as you guys know, I've been traveling and just trying to live my best life with my dear friend. And yeah. So this was actually shot about a week and a half ago. Aaliyah had a photo shoot and she asked for me to tag along. She installed her unit herself and then I just went in and added some wand curls and pinned those up. And right now I'm just going in and doing a natural look on her. And excuse the fact that I don't have my wig on, guys. This was like a last minute type situation and my wig was in the car, but I was just being super lazy and there was nobody in the salon but Latea and her client that I'm friends with. So it was a whole vibe. So I got this hat on. Needless to say, I was just trying to get my girl straight. But I decided to do like a quick beat on her just because we didn't have that much time. So I just highlighted under her eyes just to brighten her skin and I blended that out. Now I'm just going in and just, what am I doing? Oh wait, I highlighted her under her eye just to blend that out. Right now it looks super bright and crazy, but I am going to go in with some Laura Mercier Dark Deep Powder. And I'm just going to apply that over those light spots just to bring everything back down and make her not look so washed out. So I'm going to let that marinate her skin. I am using my Juvia's Place Warrior palette. I've been in love with this palette lately. I've been using this for like my last few shoots and looks. It's just like a really soft and pretty type of look. And I'm going in with like those brown shades, just adding a little bit of dimension, not too crazy. And now I'm just blending everything out as far as like her face. So right now it's sitting pretty, but she still looks kind of washed out. So now I'm just going in with my BH Cosmetics contour palette and just adding a little bit of depth to her face and warmth, just to blend all those colors together and bring her back down a little bit. So yeah, we want to add a little bit of warmth and just bring light back to her skin. This is like a behind the scenes photo shoot type of situation, just to show you guys kind of how we roll. And yeah, we be in and out like. So I'm gonna do some of her face here, and then we actually did drive to Philly to do the shoot with my friend Taylor. Shout out to you. Taylor is an awesome photographer. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below as well. But Taylor be coming through for us. Like, he came in on his day off, guys. Like, the studio wasn't even open, but he opened up just for us to do this quick little impromptu shoot. So shout out to you. I really appreciate you. You're my brother for life. Like, you already know that. So check him out. His work is dope. He's amazing. He's humble. And he makes all of my visions come to life. No matter how crazy, how cool, he's always like, all right, tell me what you want to do, and we'll take it from there. So I definitely fuck with him heavy because of that. And yeah, mad love for you, Taylor. So I'm going to do her face here. And then I'm going to finish, like, I'm going to put the base down for her face, but then I'm going to actually finish it when we get to our destination to say that. So yeah, you guys can kind of just watch here. I'm so sorry it's kind of noisy in the background, but like I said, I'm on the balcony, there's cars and stuff. I didn't really plan this out, but I need to get this out of here because I'm running out of storage on my phone, so I need to get this content out. So as you can see, she just has like a really fresh, natural face, and here we are back at Taylor's studio. So I'm just applying some lashes. I'm going to do a lip. I didn't do like a full beat. She doesn't have any foundation on whatsoever, but she has a really nice skin, so she didn't need foundation, to be completely honest with you guys. So I'm just applying lashes, and I'm going to do like a nice red lip because we're going for like a sexy slash like rich vintage type of feel almost. So we're just kind of vibing off each other. So I'm just blending her lashes, nothing crazy. I'm just using the Demi Wispies by Ardell, and I will link everything down below just because I know I'm not doing this like tutorial style. And yeah, I'm trying my best to remember what I used on her and just to inform you guys as best as I can. But like I said, this was shot like almost 2 weeks ago, so I will try to link everything down below in the description box. So I'm just going to slay Aaliyah. I don't want to talk too much, even though I've already been talking for almost 4 minutes, but you guys know how I like to ramble. So yeah, there's Taylor in the background. He's actually going to come in the room, but I have this video sped up. But yeah, support your local black-owned photographer, black-owned businesses, black on black. Like, we just love supporting other creators that are, of African American descent, and we support anybody in general who's just grinding, but especially like our people. We gotta support each other. And I've been using Taylor for about 2 years also, when me and Aaliyah first started collabing. He's done all of my photo shoots since 2018 forward. Like, every single last photo shoot has been Taylor Genius. So he's just sitting there vibing with us. I'm using I'm using an eyebrow pencil to line her lips because I cannot find my lip liner, so sometimes you gotta finesse. I do sanitize all of my implements with alcohol afterwards, 99% alcohol, and then I wipe everything down just to make sure that I'm not cross-contaminating. And I do use disposable spoolies, but in this particular situation, I was like, oh shoot, I gotta make it do what it do. So yeah, wig's still not on, but I still don't care. And I'm just gonna take out her curls, and then I'm gonna show you guys kind of a little bit of behind the scenes of me directing her, trying to just give her a little bit of advice. We're friends, so I'll just be like, girl, do this, do that. I'm not going to have the audio on that part only because we were playing music, and I don't want to get copyrighted, and I don't want them to take my monetization off. So I'm just going to leave this background music playing, but just know that this shoot was a whole vibe. You know what, I said I wasn't gonna ramble, but I decided to come back on here and ramble anyway. So the thing I do like about makeup is the fact that it's makeup, so there's no particular rules, and sometimes you can bend the rules, you can break the rules, you can be creative, you can go as crazy as you want or as natural as you want. So for her, sometimes I'll do a full beat, sometimes I'll do natural, sometimes I'll do certain parts of her face. It really is no general rule. I just do what I see fit for the look we're going for and just take it from there. So these wand curls are gonna look a little iffy, but I'm gonna just go back in and wand curl these again. This hair was not the best hair. This is actually a wig that we used previously in the glueless wig install video, but the curls just weren't holding on. So yeah, we're just gonna go in, fix that, restyle it, do some baby hair, and I'll show you guys the final result at the end. I'll add her pictures. So now I'm all done. I'm just gonna set her hair with a little bit of soft hold spray. I don't even remember the brand of the spray. I just grabbed it, and we're gonna get ready to shoot. So stay tuned. I really wish you guys can hear this audio because we were laughing so hard, guys. Like me, Taylor, Leah, we were just having such a good time. We're serious at some points, but then sometimes I like to joke around. It's just in my personality, so you'll see us like bagging up. But she was out here slaying. You hear me? Like slaying. And shout out to you, girl, because these photos came out fine. So yeah, we have so much more content coming soon, so be sure to subscribe to her channel, follow her Instagram, follow me on Instagram, follow Taylor on Instagram, cross promo, networking, all that good stuff. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.